Hello, welcome to chapter 37, Bootstrap Multi-Column Image Carousel, brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. My name is Harish. In this session, we are going to learn how to create a multi-column image carousel. Right now, let's understand that very clearly. And this image present here, it represents the output of this session. In the sense, at the end of this session, we are going to build this type of multi-column image carousel. Okay, you can observe here as these dots represents, like this carousel is going to have 3 slides and each slide is going to have 3 columns in it. Okay, how to achieve this multi-column image carousel? It's very simple, and let us recall in the previous session we achieved or we built a carousel of this type. You can observe here this carousel is having 4 images in it, in the sense 4 slides in it. And right now what we are going to do is we are going to divide each slide into 3 columns. How do we do that? It's very simple. Right now let me jump into Visual Studio and let me start coding for multi-column image carousel. So what I'll do right now, okay, instead of having this grid classes, what I'll do right now, I'll take call access 12. Now when I do Control S, when I go back and when I refresh, you can observe earlier the column width was only column access 8. Now I've made it call access 12, in the sense it's acquiring the complete Bootstrap grid system classes, okay, in the sense 12 columns. So after that what I need to do is, as represented in the image, you can observe this carousel is going to have only 3 slides. In the sense, you can observe here from this dots you can come to know this carousel is going to have only 3 slides. So currently what I'm having in my indicators, I'm having 4 indicators. So what I do right now, I'll remove one indicator. So I've done with this. Next, what I need to do is, as I said you, okay, each slide is going to have 3 columns in it. So what I need to do is, okay, I have to come inside this item active and I have to create a div. To this div element, I need to add a class row. Okay, and after that I need to add a div. To this div element, let me add a class call access 4. Now what I'll do is, I'll cut these 2 tags and I'll paste it at the bottom of this div right now, and let me eliminate this white space right now. Control S. Okay, and after this you can observe right now we have a class item. Now what I'll do, I'll remove this and I'll add this call access 4, and right now I'll cut this and I'll paste after this call access. Since we want 3 columns inside this row, so I'm converting them into call access 4, and again call access 4. I'll cut this, Control X, and I'll paste after this div, Control S, and we are left with another one image. Right now we don't use this. I'll remove this right now. Okay, let me eliminate this white space right now, such that the content looks good. Control S. Now let me come back here. You can observe right now, okay, here we have a row. Inside this row we have 3 columns and each column spanning 4 columns in it. Now when I do Control S, when I go back and when I refresh, you can observe this is what we expected. In the sense, we are dividing this slide into 3 columns and this is called multi-column image carousel. But since we have 3 dots here, in the sense 3 indicators here, I need to add other 2 slides. So what I need to do is, I need to write HTML for that also. Now instead of me writing the HTML, I've already copied the HTML for that. So let me go and copy, which is my notepad, Control C and come back. After coming back here, okay, after this div item class, I need to paste them. Control V. When I do Control S, when I go back and when I refresh, you can observe right now, okay, this is fruit 1, and this is the second slide, which is again having 4 columns in it, and this is the third slide, which is again having 3 columns in it. This is what we achieved in this session, like how to build a multi-column image carousel. Okay, and in this session what we have done is, in single slide we divided it into 3 columns and each column spanning 4 columns in it. This is what we achieved in this session, like how to build a multi-column image carousel. Okay, this is what we built right now. and we also saw a beautiful demo. And finally, thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Ankpro Training. You can also like our Facebook page visiting these URLs. You can also follow us on Twitter. For further references, refer our website. We are on LinkedIn too. Last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you.